Hi, I'm in Keetru Farms stay, so today I'm going to give you the room tour. This is the living area. Let's lock the door. There is a window here next to the door, another on the other wall. AC is there. So this is the living area. It has a divan cot and two chairs, provision for TV, but TV is not there. AC is there, false ceiling with fan and a corner light. I love the stone stairs. So once we enter in, this is the actual room. One more window with AC. We came from that door. There is a TV here and wardrobes, chair and mirror, king size bed. The room is quite big. Quite big room. The dresser area. Let's see what's inside this. Some extra pillow and a regular wardrobe. Then you have to actually step down to enter the bathroom and the toilet. There is this dustbin provided here and sitting area. And this is the door to the bathroom. Bathroom is also quite spacious, though basic. A mirror, geyser, towel rack, a bucket, commode and the toiletries. The TV has this. The door is nice. I love that this has two variants of height, like the stairs, the living area and the bathroom are below and the bedroom is at a higher level. We also saw the deluxe room here, but the deluxe room is just the room with a bathroom, no living area. So we chose this suite. This is supposed to be the suite room. Let's look at the menu. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel without fail. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.